Another daily vlog. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning, bitches, and we about to party. This is some kind of a breakfast party. I don't even know what the hell you call it. I'm tired of shit. This is my outfit. That's Renelle. Good friend. Hi. And yeah, we about to be lit. Where we go? Right here?
On the road, they don't worry. Normally, I don't care. We are drinking the rum now. We go something and rock down with the ground. I just want to. Hey, everybody, rock down with the rock with it. Hey, we go something.
A few moments later.
That party was real mad. I intended not to get wet, but I got wet without choice. Had to put the camera away because bitch, this shit is expensive and I didn't want it to get wet, but I guess I have to insert some snaps here of just how crazy this party was.
can't buy another drink, go home and move the weapon. Turn on the truth.
Like Trinidadians need to make their mind up. I said, what is this? They said, this was a party. I said, this was a fete. No, not a fete. They said, this was a party. And I said, no. This was Juve. They're like, no, this is a party. I was like, Juve has paid. And they're like, yeah, but just like, y'all Trinidadians need to make your mind up. Anyways, it is 9 o'clock in the morning, so I gotta figure out what we're gonna do. We haven't eaten yet. We've just been drinking beer and having other alcoholic beverages, so we'll figure this shit out in a minute, yeah? Alright. So we just finished the Juve party.
It's not Juve.
It's not Juve. Yes, it was a Juve. It had paint. It had paint.
Okay.
And you said Juve is paint, so y'all need to make your mind up.
Sweetheart.
It's a paint party.
Hey, you see you making me walk quite so I could have passed so? You see you next year? Right.
Which I'm saying?
Alright, you mother cunt. Sorry. You didn't tell me it was.
Who doing this?
My bad.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we stopping for rail doubles, whatever the fuck that is. I was warned not to eat it, but everybody said I need to. Oh my god.
That's correct. Yeah. One medium, one.
Where is the gloves?
Which one? This one. This one.
Okay, there's the one-on-one and how you to eat a double.
Is the barra? That's two. That's how I call it a double. So 2 barra. 1, 2. Pull up this one. Right. Hold it like this. Like this. Right, bend. Hold it.
Just send it.
Watch. You dip it in this like it. Watch. Right. Watch. You pick it up. Pick up the things. Right. Watch. Don't forget to do the lips. Yum.
How is it? I'm supposed to do this?
Right?
And do it again.
Right. Watch. Don't bite it. You go see.
Oh, what?
Ah. Right?
Taking forever to save.
Same thing with this. Okay, let's fold this one. Fold it. Get a little roll or something. Watch. Right. Watch.
How is it?
Pepper in it.
Actually not bad. It looks bad, but it's not bad.
The best thing ever eat.
Oh wait, you're finishing before me.
Alright. Is your first one?
Yes.
Go Cali blowing the thing.
So how many of these are you supposed to eat? How much of it you can take? I
The next one? Alright. The big old double face. Are you done?
Oh God, ready? Nah.
You done? You say next one.
Oh, hey, next one.
Right, now to the doubles now.
How is it though? Alright. It's alright.
There's doubles because it got 2 patties on it.
Yeah.
Barra.
If you want to take an axe first, first.
Don't say patty, say barra. Barra. Anybody? She's so cute. Yeah, it's not bad.
Napkin, how the napkin for?
I got the napkin, it's right here. Underneath, okay. This one's a little bit wet. Wait, hold on. So you take the first
So
one.
you're teaching me now.
Take the first one. You roll it.
Right. Pick it up with the things in it. The chana. Ah.
Got it all over my face.
Wipe after. Relax.
I don't want now?
After.
All right. I'm leaving.
So,
Man, this is like some etiquette shit. That concludes this morning's daily vlog. I think I'm just gonna make this part 1, and we're gonna go out later, so we're gonna make it a part 2, I think. If not, then this concludes today's Trinidad vlog. I am so tired. I didn't even sleep. Re-slept from like, she's been sleeping from 10 o'clock from we left the beach. She's been sleeping from 10 o'clock. And I was just up editing, getting out the interview with Dai. Make sure you guys check that out, by the way, in the On My Mind series season 4 playlist. That was a pretty fun interview, and also the vlog before this. So I was just up finishing up that edit, finishing up the vlog. I want to drop that at 7 p.m. So I am exhausted, and I feel like I'm getting sick too on top of that. So anyways, it's been Trail. Stay tuned for more daily vlogs. If you like this one, comment, share it, and anything you want me to vlog about or shoot about, let me know. It's raining. Bye.